our next group has been performing with us since our first show at Infinity. This year, performing choreography by Danielle Rich. I know you. Hi.
Hello, my name is Emma. You might recognize me from my Cyberwise videos playing across Travelers, but I'm not here today to remind you to be cyberwise, although that's a very important reminder every day. Right, Jason?
Yes. Yes, it's true. You certainly taught me a lot, and I'm eternally grateful.
Today I'm just a Barbie girl in a Barbie world, and I'm super excited to present the next act. Please join me in welcoming the Barbies and Kens.
When I wake up in my own pink world, I get up out of bed and wave to my homegirls. Hey Barbie, hey, she's so cool. All dolled up, just playing chess by the pool. Come on, we got important things to do. It's her and her and me and you. And pink goes with everything. Beautiful from head to toe. I'm ready to go. You know, it's pink. Good enough to dream. We like other colors, but pink just looks so good on us. P, pretty. I, intelligent. N, never sad. K, cool. Baby, you can find me under the lights, diamonds under my eyes. Turn the rhythm up, don't you wanna just come along for the ride? Oh, my outfit's so tight, you can see my heartbeat tonight. I can take the heat, baby, best believe that's the moment I shine. 'Cause every romance shakes and it bends, don't give a damn.